yellow light in the corner when we came in.
Yeah, it's
The
a
motion sensor?
Yeah, it'll turn blue too.
Okay.
See it? And this red light that's straight up above, you see it?
Yep.
That's a floodlight. We tried to figure out how to turn that off and couldn't.
Are there dimmers? Yeah, they're just on dimmers, I guess, that maybe aren't all the way off.
Stomach.
Is there a man in here with us that spoke on the recorder earlier? Can you do that again for us, please? Make another sound. Sounded like you said, what was it?
Don't let me out. Or
Don't let me go.
Don't let me out? Was that you? Try not to.
Yeah. Did you want to sit down? No. It's not comfortable. There's another one over here. It's fine.
Are you a soldier? Are you a rebel soldier? Are you a federal soldier?
Why don't you want to be let out?
That's my seat.
Yeah.
Are you the man who's been captured in here before? If you're here with us right now, can you tap on something over there? Tap on something real hard.
Now I'm wondering if Danny should be left here alone.
Why?
Didn't you say a lot of what happens over here happens to females?
Yeah.
Why wouldn't leave her alone? Maybe with one of us in the room with the couch or something?
Yeah.
Just in case something does happen?
Yeah,
Okay.
but I'm just curious.
Can you tell me your name, gentlemen?
Is it Danny, the woman that was in here, who you want to come back?
Do you like the pretty girls to visit?
Do you have the K2 in here?
Yeah, it was on here and it didn't go off.
Nothing went off.
Nothing.
Are you hiding from us now? Nothing to be afraid of.
It's really weird though that before we caught that voice, the camera just completely shut off.
My name is Rob. My name is Robert. Will you talk to us?
Does it have the same feeling?
To be honest with you, it didn't feel weird at all the first time.
Whoa.
What's wrong?
That camera behind me went off
Oh, yeah.
and lit up everything like a floodlight through the IR. Are you hiding in the back room? I know there's a room back there.
And it's weird. That ting that happened
Yeah.
didn't happen until we were like, hey, let's we only got 5 minutes left. Let's just go ahead and leave.
Shine the light on my arm right there. Anything?
No, I don't see anything.
It's a burn.
A little bit. Could be nothing. It's hard to tell. Could just be me holding the camera. Could be a muscle burn. I'm gonna step over here.
If you're a soldier, what's your rank?
What if I turn on this box? Will you try? Can I get you to communicate through that? I have a machine here. I ran into something. I'm gonna put this here so I don't blast it out. I'm gonna turn this box on. Was that you?
That was me, Spark. Did you guys see that?
I heard like a.
Oh, that was me.
Was it?
Cleared my throat a little bit.
Okay.
I was just about to say something. You stomped off something.
I was like, oh, he's started talking out loud. Are you here with us? Can you talk through the box? Can you tell me your name? I'm talking about the man and the blacksmith shop.
Drop. Yes. Yes. Go.
What is your name?
Stop.
Are you the one who said that phrase? Don't let me out?
What do you like? Great. Sit. Oh.
What's my name?
To the
You have a message for us? You have a message for me? Do you like women to come visit out here?
You like to hurt people?
Are you a soldier? Are you a rebel soldier? I'm only going to run it a couple more minutes. You got to tell me your message now.
Everyone before you. That wasn't.
Last chance. Do you want me to send somebody, a girl out to visit you? Or do you don't like them? Okay, I'm going to shut this off. Thanks for talking.